So at first I will discuss words meaning of complete chapter, then I will translate it. So take care of it. First word is indama. Indama means when. That is not for question, not for interrogative. Okay. Jaa yajibu means to come. Yawm safari, the day of journey. Day of journey. Nasahatu, nasaha yansahu. Nasaha yansahu means to advise, to suggest. That is used in our languages also. Nasihat karna. Nasihat karna. Okay. So, indama jaa yawm safari nasahatu wa qala. Qala yaqulu, you know its meaning to say. Musafir means passenger. Musafir means passenger. Liwahdika alone. Fala budda necessary. Okay, it is used. You must. Ra'a yurai. Ra'a yurai means to take care. To take care. Amrul umur. Amr singular. Here it is used plural. Umur. Awwaluha. Okay. Allah yusabiqanna. Sadaqa yusabiqu. Sadaqa yusabiqu. Its meaning is to be friend. To be friend. Okay. To associate with someone. किसी का पार्टनर बनना, किसी का दोस्त बनना. Sadaqa yusabiqu. Next is kabila yakbalu means to accept, kabul karna. Ajnabiyun, unknown. Shakhsun ajnabiyun means unknown person, and it is used for foreigner also. Foreigner also, but here it will be translated as unknown person. Akala yakulu, its meaning is to eat. Ta'am, I think you know its meaning. Its meaning is food. Okay, now next word is mat'amil fitar. Mat'am means restaurant, canteen, but mat'amil fitar, that is for pantry car. Okay, if you have traveled by train, I think you have seen that one special coach is for this purpose only, for pantry. Okay, foods are prepared in that. Now next is tashrab. Shariba yashrabu means to drink. Shariba yashrabu means to drink. And next is mahallun mawsuf. Mahallun, place, shop. Mawsuf means reliable. Mawsuf means reliable. Nazala yanzil means to get down. Nazala yanzil means to get down. فلا تذهبن مع كل شخص يعني عرض يعرض its meaning is to offer. عرض يعرض means to offer. إيصالك. Okay, it is used from باب الإفعال and ثلاثي level is وصل يصل. وصل يصل, I think you know its meaning. وصل يصل, its meaning is to reach, but when it will use from Babul If'al, it will be awsala yusilu. Awsala yusilu, and at that time it will be translated as to bring to somewhere or to take someone to some place. Okay. Then here it will be translated as take to somewhere or to bring to somewhere. Next is فَعَلَيْكَ أَن تَسْتَأْجِرَ. We have discussed this phrase earlier. Okay, when we will translate, then I will explain this phrase. أَن تَسْتَأْجِرَ. إِسْتَأْجَرَ يَسْتَأْجِرُ means to take on rent. किराए पर लेना, उजरत पर लेना. Next, taxi. Taxi means taxi. मुखस्सस. मुखस्सस, okay, special place or fixed place. Dakhil, dakhil means inside. Next is tukhbir. Akhbara yukhbiru. Akhbara yukhbiru, its meaning is to inform. Usul, reach. Reach second to the place. Next is darasa yudarrisu means to teach. Ad-nun al-ta'kid al-khafifa was-saqila. Okay, this is topic of the grammar of your chapter. Noon, Taqid, Safifa, and Satila. Noon, you know, okay? Lam, Mim, Noon. So Noon is there, and Taqid, its meaning is to emphasize. See, चीज के ऊपर जोर देना, okay? So that is Khafifa and Satila. Khafifa and Satila. Khafifa exact word meaning is light, and Satila exact word meaning is heavy. But here that is not used for that meaning, but this is the name of that moon. Okay, when I will discuss the sentence, I will tell this. Just now listen here. It is a name. Nune, Taqid, Safifa, and Safila. Next word is Arafa ya'rifu. Arafa ya'rifu. Its meaning is to know. A'rifuka, I know you. Next word is istashhada yastashhidu, to cite or to quote. Okay, cite, C-I-T is cite. Okay, or to quote. Next word is next word is أشعار متنوعة. أشعار متنوعة. Different. متنوعة means different. And next word is يفعل. فعل means to do, to work. Amruhu. Amara yamur, its meaning is to order. Amr. Okay. Next is Layus Janana. Its meaning is will be imprisoned. Jail mein dalna. Next word is Sagir, humiliated. Sagir means humiliated. Hatim Tai, you know, he is very famous person. By here it is not for the meaning of house. Okay, to buy is there. By its plural is buyur. Okay, and another word is by its plural is abyar. Okay, singular as same, but plural is different. Here by buyur means house, by buyur means house, and by abyar means verses, couplet of poem. Okay, एक दो लाइन जो होती है पॉइंट की उसको क्या बोलते हैं, बाय अज्ञान, एंड बाय प्योर मींस हाउस. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज हमीदा यहमद मींस प्रेज. हमीदा यहमद मींस प्रेज. वारिस इनहेरिटर. वारिस मींस इनहेरिटर. नाला यनाल इट्स मीनिंग इज गेट, अचीव. एंड तजमा, जमा यजमा मींस टुगेदर. जमा यजमा मींस टुगेदर, जमा करना. Magnum, treasure, man. Okay. Next word is Hana. Hana means to become. Rihlatan muwaffaqatan. Rihlatan muwaffaqatan. Okay. Tawakkal ala Allah. Tawakkal ala Allah. Tawakkal as what means to trust. Tawakkul karna. That is used in Urdu languages also. Now listen the translation and explanation of the sentences. Yes, the chapter was going on that Hamid came to his house because of vacation. Okay, because of vacation. Then after 2 weeks, he prepared to go back to his college, and he was a student of engineering college. When he was about to leave the house, his mother gave him some suggestion. What the suggestion she gave to him? Now it is started. Indama jaa yawm as-safar nasahatu ummuhu wa qalat ya bunayya anta musafir li wahdika. When the day of journey arrived, or when the day of journey came, then his mother advised him and said, "O my son, ya bunayya, O my son, anta musafirun liwahdika. You are traveling alone. You are traveling alone. Okay. This phrase I have discussed in last class. Liwahdika. Okay. Before what the lam always will be used for this meaning, but according to the subject, a zama'ir muttasila will be used. According to the subject, a zama'ir muttasila will be used. For example, if you want to say about yourself, I will go alone to Surat. I will go to Surat alone. Okay. And sa'azhabu liwahdi. Okay. Dal ke baad ya use hoga liwahdi ila Surat. And if you want to say that he has to play alone, he has to play alone. Alayhi ayyalaba liwahdihi. Liwahdihi. Okay. So according to the subject, Zama'ir muttasila will be used after wahdun, and lam always will be used for this meaning. Alright, the next sentence. You must take care of some points, okay, or few things. You must take care of few things. Who is giving this suggestion? His mother. Now, what the suggestion she gave to him? First, number one, Allah tusahibanna ahadan. Okay, you should not be afraid to anyone, or you should not make anyone friend. Got it? Or you should not make a friend. You should not make a friend. Next, wala taqbalan ayyi shay'in min ayyi shakhsin ajnabiyyin. Okay. And sure, you should not accept anything from any unknown person. You should not accept anything from any unknown person. And sure, you should not eat food except from the pantry car. Except from the pantry car. What does it mean? You should not buy any food from outside. Okay, from outside. Whatever the trend trend is providing you, you should eat just only those things. Next sentence. ولا تشرب الماء إلا ما كان معك أو اشتريته من محل موثوق به. And you should not drink water except what you had with you, or you bought it from a reliable place. Got it? Whatever the water you have taken from the house, you should drink. And if it is finished and you bought it from that railway staff, you should drink just only that water, and you should not use the water from outside. Next sentence. And when you will get down from the train, فلا تذهبن مع أي شخص يعرض عليك إيصالك بمكانك. يعرض عليك إيصالك بمكانك. Okay. And when you will get down from the train, you should not go with any person. You should not go with any person who is offering you to take you to your place. Okay. If when you get down from the train, if someone is offering you that, my brother, where are you going, and you told there's some place, and he said, yes, I'm going also to that place, at that time you should not go with them, with him or with her. What you should do, فعليك أن تستأذن التاكسي من المكان المخصص في داخل محطة القطار واذهب به. You have to take the taxi on rent. Okay, you have to take the taxi on rent from the fixed place of inside the railway station. From the fixed place from the inside of railway station. I think you have seen that if you have gone to any railway station, that parking places are there where the vehicles are. Okay, so, and you can take on rent what which type of vehicle you need. واذهب به and go with it. وعليك أن تخبرنا فورا. فورا means immediately. That is used in Urdu language also. فورا आओ, فورا जाओ, immediately. And you have to inform us immediately after reaching to the place. Just when you reach to your place, you should inform us. Okay. Now, just listen this phrase. I will revise it because earlier many times I have discussed. In English, one phrase is there. He has to go. I have to go. Okay? You have to go or you have to listen. For this phrase in Arabic, Allah is used. Allah plus az-zama'ir al-muttasila according to the subject plus an and fi'l mudari. Plus an and fi'l mudari. Just see here. Allah az-zama'ir, okay? Az-zama'ir plus an and plus fi'l mudari. Okay, so these four things you should take care when you want to use this phrase in Arabic. Now, if you want to say he has to play with me or he has to play there, now he has to play. So, at the time of using a zama'ir al-muttasila, you will have to take care of the subject. Now, in this sentence, subject is he. So for he in Arabic, the word is used who. So after using Allah, it will be alayhi. It will be alayhi because you want to say that he has to play. So alayhi. After that, an will be used and fi'l mudari. In fi'l mudari also you will have to take care of the subject. So now complete sentence will be alayhi ay yal'aba. Alayhi ay yal'aba fil maidan. He has to play in the garden. One example. Now if I want to say that I have to go to the masjid, I have to go to the masjid, I have. Now here the subject is I, and for me the zama'ir al-muttasila is used ya. Alayya. Alayya, okay, an azhaba ila masjid. Alayya an azhaba ila masjid. Now, if I want to say that you have to write now, you have to write now. Now, the subject is you, and for you in Arabic, kaf is used. So, I will have to say alayka an taktuba al-an. You have to write now. Got it? So, this phrase is used. When you will use, you will have to take care of these four things. First, Allah, according to the subject, zama'ir al-muttasila, an, and fi'l mudari. So, I think you got this phrase. Now, coming to the next paragraph. Qala Hamidun. Hamid said. Qala Hamid said. Ya Ummi anti tawastati fi nasihatiki. Oh my mother, you taught me in your suggestion, in your advice, Nune Taqid, Khafifa and Saqila. What does it mean, Nune Taqid, Khafifa and Saqila? My dear, you know Sakin, Sukoon and Tashdeed. So if a letter is having Sukoon, it will be read just only once. And if a letter has tashdid, it will be read twice. So now which one is difficult? To read once or to read twice? So sure your answer will be to read twice, it is difficult. So the noon, which one is having tashdid, it is called noon saqila. Noon saqila, heavy noon. Okay? And the noon is having sukoon, it is called noon khafifa. Noon khafifa. Inshallah, we will discuss this grammar points later. I think now you got the name. नूने ताकीद सकीला एंड खफीफा. Now, يأتي بدرسنا أستاذ هذا الموضوع في آخر الدروس التي قلنا عليه قبل الإطلاق. Oh my mother, our teacher has taught us this topic in last chapter which we read before the vacation. Okay, just this grammar topic our teacher taught us in last class which we have read, which we have done before vacation. Now, وأستاذنا يعرف اللغة العربية وقواعده جيدا, and our teacher knows Arabic language and its rules very well. فهو يستشهد بالآيات الكريمة والشعر العربي القديم. So he quoted or he cited verses, holy verses, and old Arabic poets. Okay, when he was teaching us this grammar topic, he given the examples of many verses of the Quran and many old Arabic poems. وقد قرأ علينا آيات مختلفة, and he read different verses وأشعار متنوعة and different poems on this topic. Okay, couplets on this topic. أذكر منها آية. I remember one ayat from there. قد اجتمع فيها النون, where both the noon gathered. Now just I told two noons are there, noon sakila and noon khafifa. Noon sakila means the noon is having tashdid, and noon khafifa means the noon is having sukun. So both the noon gathered in one ayat. I remember that ayat. قال الله تعالى في سورة يوسف. Allah Ta'ala said in Surah Yusuf, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I think you know the translation of this. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and most merciful. وَلَئِن لَّمْ يَفْعَلْ مَا آمُرُهُ لَيُسْجَنَنَّ وَلَيَكُونًا مِنَ السَّاخِرِينَ. وَلَئِن لَّمْ يَفْعَلْ مَا آمُرُهُ, and if he did not do what I ordered, sure he will be in prison. Just now in the translation you can understand I translated sure. So for the meaning of surety is giving back Nune Satila. وَلَا يَكُونَ مِنَ الصَّاغِرِينَ, and he will be humiliated. Kama azkuru baitan li Hatim Ta'i, as well as I remember one couplet of Hatim Ta'i. Hatim Ta'i is a very famous person. Okay, what the point in couplet is, qalilan bihi ma yahmaduka warithun idha nala minna muttata'u maghnama. Qalilan bihi ma yahmaduka warithun, you will find little. Okay, or just only you will find a small, most inheritors except a few will never ever praise you even when you left a vast fortune for them. Okay, what does it mean? Its meaning is, when we die and we leave lots of treasure, lots of money and lots of wealth here, but when we pass away, our inheritor, our sons, our children find it just only little, and they used to say that our father has left just only small amounts, and then at that time what happens? He will praise us little. Okay, not more. Most of the time he will not praise us. Why? Because they feel that our ancestor has left a small amount of wealth. That is it. Okay, your inheritor, what by what meaning? Inheritor will praise some, okay, less, will race, even they got who gathered treasure or amount. Okay, word by word. But the translation of complete in a beautiful sentence it means that most inheritor except a few will never even praise you, will never even praise you, even when you left a vast fortune for them. चाहे आपने उसके लिए बहुत सारे माल दौलत छोड़ दिया हो, लेकिन फिर भी आपके जो वारिस है, जो बाद में आने वाले हैं, वो कहेंगे कि मेरे माँ बाप ने तो मेरे लिए कुछ किया ही नहीं है. Okay, I think most of us are experienced of this sentence. क्या जो चले गए जिसका इंतकाल हो गया, इंतकाल होने के बाद जो उनके जो आते हैं चिल्ड्रन, वो कहते हैं कि कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ा हमारा. Now last sentence. और माशाअल्लाह माशाअल्लाह. Mother said माशाअल्लाह, what Allah wanted. Now the time of friend, it is time of friend or time of friend has become rihlatan muwaffaqatan, successful journey. May your journey be successful. Tawakkal ala Allah, trust on Allah, trust on Allah. Okay, my dear, we have